In today's video, I will teach you how to create an impressive infographic in PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make an impressive infographic, we need to keep in mind the 5 ways that you can use an infographic effectively. The first one is to briefly summarize information. Since infographic materials are used to convey the content of an entire article or a long report into one page, you must make it easy to digest the necessary information at one glance. Too much written information not only takes up a lot of space, but it can also be overwhelming for the readers and viewers, and it might distract them from the main point. The second one is raising awareness about a specific topic or issue. Using an infographic material is the most effective way to get your point across. So, what better way to advocate for a certain cause or social issues than to show it in an eye-catching infographic material? Third is to give step-by-step instructions. You can make instructions more fun and engaging to convey with the right graphics and design. The fourth one is to simplify a complicated process. Still confused about the process of photosynthesis? Make the process more fun and simpler for visual learners by making an infographic material that would surely stick to your audience mind. And the last one is to share data in a visually appealing way. Planning a presentation? You can catch and keep the attention of your audience by throwing in the right graphics and illustrations to your infographics. But at the end of the day, it's your design, and you decide what goes in your infographic. To start, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. Here, you can either use one of PicMonkey's canvas presets, or you can make your own custom canvas. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword infographic in the search bar and decide which template to use. To add an image, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's stock images, or you can upload your own image. To upload your own image to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Now, you can simply click the uploaded image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas. And if you're starting from scratch, you can add a text box by simply going to the sidebar, open the Text tab, and either choose from PicMonkey's text presets or add a new text box. All the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar while the text layer is selected. You also have to make sure that the text is visible from afar. You can also use different font combinations to make the important keywords pop more. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's graphics library, or simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Make sure that the graphics have enough contrast from other elements so that the graphics wouldn't blend in and go unnoticed. Now, just play around with your design. And once you're satisfied with your infographic, you can now either download the image directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.